My son asked me so many times to make his grandma's Shishbarak, so I lit my candle and went to work. It was sunny and beautiful. I made the dough and mixed the filling, started to shape one after another. 4 hours later, I was finished. I kept uncovered in the fridge. The next day, I chopped some cilantro, garlic, cooked in some butter. I cooked the yogurt, adding some cornstarch, salt, and some water. When it came to a boil and started bubbling, I dropped the dumplings one after the other. I added 100+ dumplings and cooked very gently. It took only a couple of minutes and they're ready. I finished the dish with some cilantro, butter, and garlic, served alongside some rice, jasmine rice. My son loved it and he gave me a big hug. One day soon he might think of this memory and create the same dish for his kids, and I'm sure they're gonna love it too.